Children, in standard 3 computer, today our topic is normal mode and safe mode. Sometime our computer it stop working properly and on the screen some instruction appear, like if you want to continue the continue working, then you have to run the window in safe mode. It's happened due to some problems or virus, or if you have not switch off your computer properly. So to resume the normal functioning of the window, we have to run the window in safe mode. Let us learn or understand what is normal mode and what is safe mode. We can understand it by seeing the difference between the safe mode and normal mode. Normal mode is a default working mode of window in which all the drives are loaded by default during the startup to ensure its proper working. But safe mode, it is a diagnostic mode of window which allow to detect, repair or troubleshoot issue in order to make the computer work properly. Then this safe mode, normal mode window appear with all the color which has high resolution, but in safe mode only limited color appears with low resolution. Then in normal mode you will not get any display on the desktop, but in safe mode you will see that safe mode has been displayed on the desktop screen. Now we will start our exercises. We will start with fill in the blanks. DAS is the most common operating system being used worldwide. So it will be Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows. Number 2, main screen of DAS is called desktops. So we know main screen of Windows is called desktop. Number 3, DAS mode is different from safe mode. Now I have taught you it is normal mode. Power button gives DAS option. Power button gives 3 options. That is your sleep, restart and shutdown. Number 5, DAS allow the computer to stay on in a low power mode. It is sleep. Then state whether the following statement are true or false. Number 1, normal mode is default working mode. As I have told you that normal mode is the default working mode, so it is true. Number 2, there is no display of any level in safe mode. It is false, as I have told you that on your desktop the level will display as safe mode. The latest version of Windows is Windows 7. It is also false. The latest version is Windows 10. Live tiles provide latest update and information. It is true, whatever new updates will come, it will be on your live tiles. Screensaver is the image on the desktop. It is your false. It is not an image. The image is known as your wallpaper. Screensaver appear when your mobile is idle for some time. Then we will start with question answer. Question number C. Answer the following. Question number 1. What is GUI? The user interact with the computer through graphic or pictures and perform various functions by clicking the mouse button is called GUI. Question number 2. How to shut down a computer? So answer is, the step to shut down a computer are: step 1, click on the start button. Step 2, click on the power button and select the shutdown option. Step 3, switch off the monitor. Step 4, switch off the UPS. Step 5, switch off the main power supply. Question number 3. Define the two main type of interface. The two main type of interface are: first is your CLI. The user type command in text form using the keyboard to perform the desired task on a computer. Bit 2, GUI. The user interact with the computer through graphic or picture and perform various functions by clicking the mouse button. Question number 4. List down the various version of Windows, which is the latest version. Two questions are there. First question, list down the various version of Windows. The answer will be Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7, 8 and 10 are the version of Windows. And next question, which is the latest version? Windows 10 is the latest version. Then question number D. Answer the question in detail. Number 1. Differentiate between safe mode and normal mode. Put a line in between. This left side you write safe mode, right side you write normal mode. So it will be easy for you to distinguish and read. Safe mode, it is the diagnostic mode of Windows which allow to detect, repair and troubleshoot issues in order to make the computer work properly. While normal mode is the default working mode of Windows in which all the drives are loaded by default during startup to ensure its proper functioning. Then two more differences are there. Second difference, in safe mode, window appear with limited color and has low resolution. In normal mode, window appear with all the colors and high resolution. Bit 3, safe mode is display on the desktop screen, and in normal mode, no display of any label. Question number 2. How will you change the screensaver of your desktop? The steps to change the screensaver of the desktop are: step 1. Right click on the blank area on desktop and set the personalize option from the list. Step 2. The setting window will appear. Select the lock screen option from the left pane. Step 3. Select the screensaver setting option and a dialog box will appear. Step 4. Select any screensaver from the drop down arrow and click the preview tab to see on full screen. Step 5. Set the desired time in wait box and click on the apply button and then OK button. Question number 3. What is a desktop? The main screen of Windows appear when we switch on the system is called desktop. Number 4. What are icons? The small graphic and picture on the desktop are called icons. Then think and discuss. Question number 1. Why is it important to shut down a computer properly? It is important to shut down a computer properly because unsaved data and program will be lost and the file which are in use while the system is on can damage the system. Number 2. When will you need to work in the safe mode of Windows? The safe mode of Windows is needed when the user is allowed to detect, repair and troubleshoot issues in order to make the computer work properly. Thank you.